It was a global tribunal staffed by unelected globalist bureaucrats who claim their power is almost unlimited.
America is no longer just criticizing the International Criminal Court, it is taking direct aim at it. Secretary of State Marco Rubio is urging U.S. allies to rethink their support for the ICC as the Trump administration weighs sanctions, visa revocations, and travel restrictions against those involved. For allies like the Philippines, the question is no longer theoretical. Watch what Rubio says.
And when we're accused of a crime, we stand for judgment before a jury of our own peers. This is the essential and indispensable feature of our form of government. It is the foundation of our shared way of life. But today, powerful people in faraway places want to take that away from us. They believe that they should be in charge of your laws, of your country, your life, and they don't care whether or not you agree. Halfway across the world, there's an institution that calls itself the International Criminal Court. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. But chances are you don't know the names of its judges, of its prosecutors, or its president. And you shouldn't have to. But as we speak, the ICC and its friends are waging a war against our country, not with bullets or missiles, but with statutes and compacts and the force of so-called international law. When the ICC was born 24 years ago, they told us that it was merely a narrow backstop, a global court that would step in to prosecute only the gravest offenses, things like genocide and war crimes, and only when a nation's courts were unable to prosecute them on their own. But the truth is, it was something far more radical and extreme. It was a global tribunal staffed by unelected globalist bureaucrats who claim their power is almost unlimited. The danger of this global court has only continued to grow. Today, it threatens every aspect of our political and legal system. We will never let foreign bureaucrats take that away from us. This administration will not sit by as the ICC and its allies seek to threaten our people. If they believe they can deprive us of our sovereignty, we will teach them the full meaning of American resolve.
But here is the contradiction. The Philippines formally withdrew from the ICC in 2019, yet in March 2025, Philippine authorities arrested former President Rodrigo Duterte and transferred him to The Hague. More recently, an ICC warrant was also issued for Senator Bato Dela Rosa, and Philippine officials have indicated that it could be enforced. The ICC maintains that withdrawal did not erase its jurisdiction over alleged crimes committed while the Philippines was still a member. But Rubio's new warning creates another question. What will Washington do when a close American ally continues helping enforce the decisions of a court the United States is actively trying to isolate? Will the Philippines face diplomatic pressure, visa restrictions, sanctions, or closer scrutiny if it continues cooperating with ICC arrests? No specific action against Manila has been announced, but Rubio's message suggests that ignoring Washington's call may no longer be consequence-free. The Philippines now has to clarify its position. Has it truly left the ICC, or did it withdraw on paper while continuing to carry out the court's order?
If more Filipino officials are targeted, will Manila continue carrying out ICC warrants? Or will it draw a clear line, assert its sovereignty, trust its own functioning courts, and stand with its longtime American ally?